So here's how you can rank videos on YouTube search and get lots and lots of views throughout YouTube search by ranking them really high. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. The very first thing that we need to do is go ahead and open up our YouTube channel. So as you can see, my newest videos have pretty much no views. Some of them have 2 views, 20 views, 39 views. But if we go over to my most popular videos, you can see I got a lot of videos getting a lot of views, like 18K, 18K, 28K, 31K, 14K. And the reason why these ones get a lot of views is because I have ranked them really high in search. And then most of the views that are coming from these videos are actually search-based views. So to rank a video really high in YouTube search, it's all about the topic. If the topic is something that is really high in demand but really low in supply, then you have found a gap in the market and you're going to be able to make a video on that, and it's going to be a really good likely chance that it's going to get a lot of views. Now, another thing that you need to know is that in order for the video to perform really well and get ranked, you must have a very good CTR, click-through rate, and average view retention, which is how long the person watches throughout the video. If you focus on those 2 metrics and you find a video topic that is in really high demand but really low supply, then that video has a really good chance of ranking really high in YouTube search and pulling lots of views passively.